What's up, YouTube land? Here's how I made my lawnmower remote control. So to make this all happen, I ordered this Fly Sky kit that came with the receiver off Amazon, and I ordered this Fat Shark thing to make it go to the camera I got. But all I had to do is bypass the sheet switch, professionally bypassed. I made this upright and then this kind of box to mount all my goodies in with an on-off switch. All my goodies are in here. That's everything that makes it happen. You get the lights on when you turn the switch. Yeah. And then to drive it, I got these actuators, solenoid actuators, and I connect them to the drive arms. I hook them both together with a bungee cord, and I can watch what I'm doing on the VR headset through that camera, and I drive it with that. It might not be the safest thing there is. I mean, I did find one of my trees real good, but it works.